Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer, and on the display you're getting an ExH3 error, and you're trying to figure out what this error is, and two, what can you do about it. So first of all, what it is most of the time this error is actually going to be external. The cause of the error is going to be external to the dryer, because this error is basically telling you that the voltage that is coming into the dryer is too low. Usually between, so this dryer is going to need a minimum of 100 volts of electricity in order to operate properly. If not, it will give you this error. So if you're using an extension cord, or a really long extension cord, or a too thin extension cord, or if you're on a solar or some kind of autonomous electrical system or something like that, you might end up with geeked out electricity that's causing this problem. So you're going to want to check the outlet and make sure you're getting the proper electricity into your dryer. And if you find the problem there, you'll get rid of this error. Now, if you fix that problem and you're still getting this error, then what's most certainly going on is that the electronic control board is fried on your dryer, and it's giving you this error as an error, and you just need to replace the electronic control board. If that's the case, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to replace the electronic control board.